Hello, my name is Mr. Ayo. Have you been looking for a way to get massive views on your YouTube channel and also get massive traffic going into your landing page and the website of your business? Then this is the right video for you, because I am going to be giving you a practical guide on how to run YouTube skippable ads that not only give you views but also get you desperate and ready to pay customers into your landing page, whatever kind of business or niche you are in. So the first thing you want to do right now is put that like button, subscribe. Well, if only you wish. Let's get right into it and see you in the next slide.
Now, you might have been seeing all these YouTubers by which whenever you're watching a YouTube video, these ads pop up in between or before or after the video. Do you understand? And you as well see a link by which you can click to their website to make a purchase, to do whatever they want you to do on their website. So that is what we are actually going to do right now. So stick with me to the end, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification icon. Now the next thing you want to do right now is go to ads.google.com, get into your ads account ID or whatever. Do you understand now? So I just want to make this video straight to the point. So the next thing you want to do right now is click on new campaign. Once you click on new campaign, the next thing you're going to see on your page here is you're going to see the different kind of objective you can run on YouTube or Google. Do you understand? So the next thing you want to do right now is click on create a campaign without a goals guardian. Don't forget. So once you click on that, the next thing you want to click on is video. Okay, you want to click on video. Then when you click on video, you want to go down, leave it in custom video campaign, just leave that like that. And the next thing you want to do right now is click on continue. Now you are actually going to get to the next page and you are going to be told to name your campaign. You're going to see something here, campaign name, and you can just clear this out and say probably my skippable ads, my skippable ads, whatever you want to name it, just name it. And once you name your YouTube ads like that, then the next thing you want to do, you're going to see something like bid strategy. Just leave it like that, leave it in maximum CPV. Okay, and the next thing you want to do right now is you want to scroll down and you want to go to the budget and date, and you're actually going to click on this. You're going to see something here, campaign total. Click on it and you're going to click on daily. Okay, you want to set it to the amount you want to be spending per day. Let's say for instance, as a starter, you want to be spending $10 per day. Okay, you can be spending up to like $50 per day. You can even spend up to $5 per day, $1,000, depending on how your pocket is and depending on how you want to start. So the next thing you want to do right now, you're going to see something like start and end date. If you want, you're going to click on edit. If you want to set, this is the start date, which is March 7. Okay, we have March 7 here, and on the end date you can decide to click on none. Okay, by which you want to continue running the ads, or you can click on select a date and you can set a date. Do you understand? Which is days beyond that. So I'm just going to leave it in none. Do you understand? Now I want to keep running the ads, and the next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down and you're going to see these networks. Pay very good attention to this place. You're going to click on the networks, okay, and you're going to tick off these video partners. Now let us check what these video partners mean. You're going to see video partners extend the reach of the video ads to a collection of sites, apps in the Google Display Network, including video partners that will help you reach new audience outside of YouTube. That is, these are apps. Okay, these are apps that are blogs and all this kind of thing that are partnered with Google or YouTube company. Do you understand? And so we want to run these ads on YouTube. We do not want to get people outside of, do you understand, YouTube. Okay, we are just going to tick off these video partners on the display network, and we're going to leave YouTube videos and YouTube search results. Okay, and the next thing, you scroll down to the location part. Okay, now I am in Nigeria by default, do you understand, but I am making this video as a global kind of video, you understand, that teaches everyone in every part of the world. So when you get to the location, you're going to see something here, select locations to target. You're going to see the first option, all countries and territories. Of course, you don't want to do this. You want to reach the whole world. Do you understand? And you are going to see the second option, which is going to be the default country you are trying to run ads from. Do you understand? So which I have Nigeria here. So if you're in Nigeria and you're just trying to target Nigeria, just leave it like that. And if you want to target multiple locations, do you understand, multiple countries, you're just going to click on enter another location. You're going to search for the location. Let's say, for instance, United States. Okay, let's say for instance United States. You're going to see it here. You're going to click on target. Okay, and let's say for instance you want to choose Nigeria also. Okay, you're going to click on target. Let's say you want to target Kenya. Okay, you're going to click on it. This is Kenya. You're going to click on target, and you can target many more countries. Like, let me put in United Kingdom. I just want to make this video short and precise to the point, so don't forget to subscribe. So you're going to click on target as well, and you're going to see we have selected up to 4 countries here, depending on how you want to target. But for this video, I'm just going to leave it in Nigeria here. Do you understand? Now let me just choose Nigeria. Okay, just choose Nigeria here, and the next thing you want to do, you want to go down. You're going to see in the languages, select the languages your customers speak. Of course, in Nigeria here we only speak English, and it's in English here. So if you want to input multiple language, let's say for instance French. Okay, you can see French here. You can select it. Do you understand now? But for those countries which I make as an example up there as a demo, they all speak English. And for the fact that you know your country, you know the particular language, official language of your country, you know the official language of your country, so you should select the official language that your country speaks. And the next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down. Okay, you want to scroll down, and you're going to go to something like, you're going to see something here, additional settings. I should be able to mark this on the screen right now. Additional settings, click on it, so it's going to drop down. Once you click on it, then you're going to see something like device. Okay, so you're going to click on this device. You don't want to make mistake here. And the next thing you're going to see is, you're going to see the first option, show on all eligible device, computer, mobile, whatever. The next thing you want to click on is the second option, which is set specific targeting device. You're going to click on it, and you're going to scroll down. And you want to tick off TV screens. Listen to me very carefully. You don't want to make any mistake here. You want to tick off these TV screens, because people who are on TV screens cannot have the ability to click on the link, the call to action on your skippable InStream ads. Don't forget, so tick it off. You can leave tablets, computer and mobile phones. Now I'm just going to tick off tablets. Not much of people use that in. Then I'm going to leave computer and mobile phones. Okay, so let's know that. So you just have to fold that back, and the next thing you want to click on is frequency capping. Okay, now this frequency capping means that, let's see, you're going to see something like limit how many times that ads in this campaign can show to the same users. So the one of cap impression frequency means limit how many times that ads in this campaign can show to the same users. That is, how many times can a particular person, okay, one person, see these ads. And the second one is, how many times can a particular person view your skippable InStream ads. That is view, that is actually play the ads for them to see. So you can be able to, you know, choose anyone you wish here. Do you understand? But for this one, I can just choose cap view frequency. Okay, and I'll just click the that is the second one. Okay, cap view frequency. Then I'm just going to input just one. We just want these ads to show to one person. We want these ads to be viewed by one person per day. Do you understand? Now, one unique person per day. Okay, so we don't want one person to see it twice or whatever. So you're just going to go down, and once you do that, then you are just leave all these parts, and go right next into your ad group name. You're going to see your ad group name. You could just rename it into something, or just leave it. You know, so far you've named your campaign. So the next thing you want to do right now is you want to scroll down, and you're going to see this part whereby you're going to see people who you want to reach. You're going to see different kind of targeting option, demographics, audience segment, keywords, topics, placement, and whatever. So you want to click on these demographics. Okay, once you click on these demographics, you're going to see a drop down menu showing the targeting option, that is the gender, the age, parental status, whatever of those people you want to reach. So for this, we're just going to go to the gender side here at the left hand side of the screen, and you're going to tick, you're going to see female and male. Yes, you want to reach female and male. If your product is for female, tick off male and unknown. Do you understand? If it's for male only, tick on male and tick off female and unknown. And if it's for female and male, then tick both. Do you understand? And tick off the unknown. Then the age, if your product is for 18 years above, leave it like that. If it's for 25 years, leave it like that. Do you understand? So I'm just going to tick off this 18 years, and you can be able to play around with your targeting. Though if you contact us using the description link below, you can be able to get in contact with us. We can give you the correct target audience for your specific business, irrespective of where you are in the world. We can organize a Zoom kind of video, and I'll give you the target audience that is right for your business on YouTube ads. Okay, so that is that. And the next thing you want to do right now is you're going to tick off this unknown. Do you understand? You can be able to play around with the age. Then the parental status, tick off unknown. You see, not a parent. If it's a parent, whatever, just play around with it. And the next thing you want to do, you want to go down. Then when you go down like that, we have different kind of targeting segment. We're going to see something like audience segment. You're going to see something like keywords. You're going to see something like topics. You're going to see something like placement. So what I would advise you to use here, do you understand? Just input keywords, do you understand, of the type of ads you're trying to run. Let's say for my own, maybe I'm trying to run ads for Facebook ads. I could just put in the keyword here, Facebook ads. You understand? I'm a digital marketing consultant, so I'm looking for people. I want YouTube to put my ads on videos with a topic, with the keyword of Facebook ads, either in their description on their topic. Do you understand now? Or their topic. So I just want to go down, and I'm going to type in Google ads. You know, let's just make this as an example, and you can see the audience is going up here, like it's becoming so laser targeted. And I can just go down and type in ads account. I can type in ads account. Okay, ads account. I can type in YouTube ads. Okay, so whatever kind of keywords your type of product, services, or video is all about, you can type it here. Do you understand? Just make it 2 keywords, 2 to 3 keywords is okay. Facebook ads, Google ads, ads account, YouTube ads. You can see we have up to 420k impressions here. So I just want to leave this like this. I'm just going to fold it back. Of course, you can combine the targeting with topic. Let's say for instance, I want people who are watching videos related to Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, or whatever, and I want YouTube to also place it among the videos which is related to advertising. Let me go to, I'm just going to check out this here. When you click on topic here, okay, so you're going to click on topic. Sorry, once you click on topic here, then you could just select the kind of category your YouTube video falls in. So like my own YouTube and like my own advertising and marketing. So I could just select it, and this thing will be more laser targeted. You can see 20k impressions weekly. So that's a little bit more small, but I would just advise you to leave it more broad. Do you understand? So don't use topic first. Experimentize with the keyword targeting. Do you understand now? Although there are some business that might require you to, you know, combine. So you can see, so for now I will just advise you to use the keyword targeting. Okay, input the keyword, and YouTube is going to place your ads, your skippable ads, whenever people are watching the keyword of your products or services, that is those video which has it in their title and description. Okay, so the next thing you want to do right now is leave everything else. Okay, you are just going to use the we've set up the demographics, which is the gender, age, parental status, and we use the keyword targeting, and we are just going to scroll down, and we want to input the link of our YouTube video, where you see your YouTube video, that is the desired YouTube video you want to promote. So I'm just going to copy it from my notepad here. I'm going to copy it like this. I'm going to go right there, go right into this box and paste it here. Okay, so once I paste it out, YouTube is going to fetch out this video. And when you see this, the next thing you want to do, remember, we want to create skippable InStream ads, okay, whereby we'll be able to place a link, a call to action, and direct them to our landing page or whatever you want to put them in. So you're going to click on this first option, skippable InStream ad. Once you click on this, then you're going to see something like, if your video is longer than 3 minutes, the video I'm using here is just an example. video, which is videos longer than 3 minutes don't usually perform as well as shorter videos. So you might want to input a video which is at least below 1 minute. Do you understand? Just between 30 to 59 seconds. Do you understand? Now it should not be too long. It should not be too long. I'm just using this video as an example. Okay, so the next thing you want to do right now, you want to scroll down to where you're going to see the final URL, display URL. So what I'm going to do is you're going to copy the link to the desired website you want to direct them to, or the landing page. I have one demo website here which I'm just going to copy from my notepad, and I'm going to put it here. Okay, I'm just going to put it here, and I'm going to clear off this HTTP. Okay, don't forget the HTTP is here already. Do you understand? So I'm just going to tick that off, and you are going to, once you do that, you're going to see this display URL fill out automatically by itself. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down very well, and you're going to click on call to action. Now this call to action, you're going to click on it. Once you click on it, you can be able to select one of the call to action here, maybe a learn more, shop now, sign up, buy now, watch now, start now, whatever call to action you want to do. So by this, I'm just going to click on learn more. Do you understand? Which is the most popular one. So once you click on learn more, you can see the preview of your ads on the right hand side of the screen. Okay, mid right hand side of the screen, you're going to see it here. Do you understand? You can be able to preview it right here, and the next thing you want to do is you're going to see something here which is the headline. So which is my own headline is just going to be like 3 sentences. I'm just going to say get more sales. Okay, you're going to see the number here which is just, at least it's going to, this number here contains only 15 words. Okay, only 15 words, and I have used 15 words here, so you can see it, and you're going to see the preview of my ad. You can see it, get more sales or whatever. And the next thing you want to do is scroll down. You scroll down to the bid section. Set a bid for this ad group. Now once you see the bid, you're going to see a bid being suggested to you below here. I will just suggest that you go exactly with that bid. So the next thing you want to do is you want to click on apply. Okay, apply the bid which was suggested to you. Click on it. Once you click on it, like for this, we have 0.02 cents, $0.02 or cent, whatever. And the next thing you want to do right now is you want to cross check everything. Just scroll up, you can go up, check out everything about your ads, cross check before you actually submit. You can cross check out everything you've set, and once you're happy with it, then the next thing you want to click on is create campaign. Once you do everything correctly, you should be able to see the next page here. Congratulations, your campaign is ready. And when you click on continue to campaign, then your campaign will be submitted for review, and it can take between few hours to 72 hours. Do you understand? It can take between 1 hour to 72 hours. Do you understand? So Google usually tells you to wait at least for 72 hours before you start worrying about the status of your campaign. Do you understand now? So it can either be rejected or be approved, but definitely this is going to be approved if you follow every instructions I teach you in this video. Those who are into music, business, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or whatever business you might find yourself which you want to use YouTubers for, I can teach you a way by which you can target the followers and subscribers of a particular big YouTuber in your niche. Do you understand? Let's say for instance, there are some big YouTubers in your niche which you are looking up to. You used to see their subscriber list and you are feeling like, wow, how can I be able to reach their subscriber list? I can teach you a way by which you are going to use YouTubers to target their subscriber, and you'll be able to get them to subscribe to your channel, buy your products and services, even without contacting them for collaboration. Do you understand now? So you can contact me using the number on the screen or using the description box below. I'm not going to display my number on the screen. Just use it in the description box below. You see some links. You can be able to get into my email list, or you'll be able to chat me on WhatsApp or wherever, and I will get right in contact with you. Thank you very much, and see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, I remain my humble self. Peace out.